Welcome back to another video of Organize Your Life series, where I will be guiding you step by step in how to create systems and routines to achieve your goals. In today's video, we are going to discuss the things that you need to plan to organize your life. There are so many things that we need to plan to have a clear direction in which we want to move, or the areas that we need to improve. So the first thing is meals. I cannot lay enough emphasis on the fact that decision of what to cook every day takes a lot of your energy from you. So rather than thinking every day what to cook, what not to cook, what's feasible is that you plan your meals on Friday, you do the groceries on Saturday, and you do the meal prep the same day or on Sunday, so that your entire week is relaxed. It's not necessary that for meal planning you cook 10 meals a day and then have to store them in the fridge. Meal planning simply can also mean that you cook a big batch of rice, you cook a big batch of bread and you put it in the freezer. It can also mean simply cutting vegetables so that you spend less time mixing and tossing them in the pan during your weekdays, which are very busy. The next thing that you need to plan is your grocery list. You must have some staples in your grocery list which are non-negotiable. For example, it's the eggs, milk, bread, some spices, rice, flour. So anything that is a staple in your home. Always make a grocery list before going for shopping so that you do not get carried away by all the stuff that you get attracted to. Then you're going to plan your week. In your weekly planning, you're going to plan all your appointments, your errands for the week, all the things that you need to do, all the scheduling. For example, if I am going to film in the coming week, I am going to schedule my filming, my editing, and my scheduling of the videos as well. Then the next category is your money, what you need to spend on in the coming week. What are the bills that need to be paid? What are the groceries that you need to do? Any events? What is the amount that you will be spending on the fuel in this week? The next thing is your spiritual life. How many chapters from the Quran that you intend to read in the next week? How many duas you need to memorize in the coming week? So the next category is your habits and routines, and for that I prefer having a habit tracker. I am going to write my habits in this space and I'm going to simply check them off if I do it, and I'm going to put a straight line if I am not able to do that habit in this particular week. Next thing is self-care, because I have definitely been ignoring my own care in the past few years. Then is my home maintenance. I need to be on top of anything that needs to be managed at my home. Then is my learning. Definitely I am going to keep on working on my skills. I'm not going to stop learning anytime in my life. And the next thing that you need to plan is to have fun. Never forget to have fun in your life, because serious life mein kuch nahi rakha hai. It's very important that you enjoy your life. You do the things that give you the feeling of relaxation that you enjoy doing for yourself. So this marks the end of my Organizing Life series. I hope you've enjoyed the series and you have learned something. You do have some important points to take away from this series. I would love to see how you have developed your life categories. What are the changes that you're going to make in your life in the coming year, and what are the habits and routines that you are going to follow to achieve your goals. Let me know your feedback in the comments, and if you want more such series, I will be happy to share with you.